Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. So today on the channel I want to quickly show you how to take a pencil skirt dart manipulation. This is what you're interested in. Let's go. Okay, so to start, these are the materials that you'll be using. So let's go ahead and start right away. So I'm just going to take this off and then we're going to go ahead and start drafting our basic skirts pattern. By now, if you've been following me, you already know how to do this. But if you don't know how to do this, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. You can check that video, okay, on how I showed you how to draft the skirt pattern. So just go ahead and connect as you see me doing, or go ahead and see that video rather, and then come back here and continue from here. So this is basically it. This is our basic skirt pattern. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is just go ahead and trim up. So afterwards, what you're going to do is on this part here, you're going to come in by 1/2 inch. Okay, you're coming in by 1/2 inch on the bottom part of the skirt. You're going to come in by 1/2 inch on this part. Okay, and connect. The next thing we're going to do afterwards is to place your tape rule. Like now you're going to connect from this dart leg up here. You're going to connect it to this point, and you're going to connect this as well to this point. Okay, it is very easy. So you're just going to connect. Please note that when you're doing it, use a longer ruler. Okay, when you're working on your actual pattern paper, please use a longer rule for this. Okay, so and then you connect the other side as well to it. As you see me doing, just go ahead and connect it like this. Now this is very simple. So after you've done this is basically it, guys. So the next thing we're going to do, I'm just going to turn it to this other side so that you can see properly. And then we're going to cut. Okay, please note that you're not going to cut all the way through. Just leave a little bit hanging. As you can see, cut it open. The next thing we're going to do is to use our tape, is to get a tape and then tape it down. Okay, or your gum, whatever it is that you want to use. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm just taping it down like this. Okay, I'm just going to tape it down like this. Just hold it in place carefully and then tape them down like this. Okay, make sure that you don't tear the paper. Just carefully do. So after we've taped them down, the next thing we're going to do is to get another paper like this that you're going to place on it like this. Okay, what we want to do is to replace what we took out on the waistline. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your rule like this. Okay, you're going to place it like this and connect it back to the other side. As you can see me just go ahead and connect. Now it wasn't really smooth, so I just placed another tape and then connected back in like this. The next thing I'm going to do is to cut out all the excess. Okay, just cut it out and voila, there you have it. So this is it. It's very simple. I'm just going to turn it around for you to see clearly, for you to see properly, because we have so many tapes here. Okay, so this is basically it. You can see that it's very easy to achieve. So this is basically it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.